Hello friends, welcome back to ProMonk. Today we are going to talk about a mobile phone that is simple, compact, and designed for those who prefer something handy yet reliable. This is the new Deva Mobile 2025, a phone that brings a fresh look while keeping things easy for everyday users. In this video, I am going to share its design, display, camera, performance, and battery experience, and at the end I will also give you my final thoughts about whether this phone is worth buying or not. The first thing you notice about Deva Mobile 2025 is its design. Unlike many large and bulky smartphones in the market today, this one comes in a compact size that fits perfectly in your hand. It feels solid, the build quality is strong, and the smooth edges give it a premium touch. You can easily use it with one hand, which makes it a very practical choice for daily use. The display is also impressive for a phone of this category. It comes with an HD Plus screen that looks bright, clear, and sharp. Watching YouTube videos, scrolling through social media, or even reading long chats feels comfortable because the screen produces natural colors and doesn't strain your eyes. The camera system of Deva Mobile 2025 is simple yet effective. On the back, you get a triple camera setup which performs quite well for regular photography. The pictures look clean and natural, the close-up shots capture good details, and group photos also come out balanced. It may not be the best in low light, but for everyday use, it does a decent job. On the front, you get a camera that is good enough for selfies and video calls. It makes communication easy and gives you results that are more than acceptable in this range. Performance is something that most people worry about, and here Deva Mobile 2025 performs smoothly for normal tasks. It handles apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and even light gaming without major issues. It's not meant for heavy gaming or very high-end multitasking, but if your usage is normal and balanced, this phone works perfectly fine. The software is also clean and simple, which makes it user-friendly even for those who are not very tech-savvy. Battery life is another important factor, and this phone comes with enough capacity to last a full day under normal usage. You can make calls, watch videos, chat with friends, and scroll through social media without worrying too much about charging it again and again. This reliability makes it a comfortable option for students, working people, and even